Yes. Hello guys, hello friends. Welcome back again to these tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can download and install Windows 11 on your computer without TPM. So you know that Windows 11 has come with various features that don't allow you to install to any computer which doesn't meet the minimum requirement to install Windows 11. For instance, when I navigate through my settings option and go to through my setting options and go to Windows Update, you see here there is Insider Program. So they are going to give me a message which is showing me connect to the internet to view this page. So yes, they said to connect internet to view this page. When I connect internet to this page, yes, you see that I don't have internet access because I'm not connected to internet. So but I can connect it now, so let's wait that the get connected. So but I can go back there and click Windows Update. You see there is an option here below which is Windows Insider Program. So Windows Insider Program. So as you see, I'm using Windows 11. Now this is Windows Insider Program. So as you see, when I click on Windows Insider Program, they say that to join the Insider Program, turn on the optional diagnostic data. Yes, I click on this optional diagnostic data. So view this, turn this on. So once I turn on, so send optional diagnostic data. So then use up to 1G of hard drive. So I can come back there and click on Windows Update. So then check whether I can join Windows Insider Program. You see? Yes, wait. So wait. Yes. When I waited, you see that they are saying your PC does not meet the minimum hardware requirement for Windows 11. Your device is not eligible to join the Windows Insider Program. Windows 11, please install Windows 10 to participate in the Windows Insider Program. There is preview channel. So that means that my computer is not eligible to install Windows 11, but it's because it has TPM, which is not meeting the minimum requirement to install Windows 11 in my computer or in any computer. So what I'm going to show you now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you first is how to download Windows 11 ISO files. The second one is how to convert this. So how to convert these ISO files into Windows, yes, to Windows 11 or bootable drives. So bootable drives. The third one is how to install. How to install Windows those drives, yes, those bootable drives in our computer, so on your computer. So this is what you are going to work on this tutorial. So what you need to do is let's get started without wasting our times. Now let's go on. So what you need to do by starting with this first step, let's go to my computer. I type download Windows 11 ISO files. So then I click enter. So once I click enter, you see this option which is download the Windows 11 ISO file. I click on this link to download the Windows 11 ISO file. So what I need to click is here. I need to click here. So I can download this. You see now they are bringing feedback here. You see below that is download now. So you create Windows 11 installation media, and below you see download now. Before you download, now you download Windows 11 disk image or ISO file. So now you come here and select Windows 11, you see, and scroll down here and click download. So once you click on download, here they are going to give you an option to choose a language. So one, choose a language. So English International, then confirm the language to download. So you wait. So once you confirm download, you see here the option which is 64 bytes for Windows 11. 64 bytes for Windows 11. Now you click on this option. So once you click on this option, your Windows is going to start installing in your computer. So you see now here my Windows 11 is now installing on my computer. So you need to wait this. So to install it has 5.2 GB storage. So capacity now you need to wait this to download and finish. Once it finishes, you need to go back to convert this. So you see now it is still installing, but for rushing with our time, let's go to use this one. It has downloaded the previously. So once it is going to finish with this image and with this name, so once it finishes, it will be looking like this. So how to convert this into Windows portable drives? Now what you need to do is to come here in your computer and search for Rufus. This is a tool which is going to help you convert your Windows. This seems like this. So you need to run it on your computer. So now you need to run it on your computer. You find for Rufus. Now you click this and download this Rufus on your computer. You can learn this Rufus online, or you can also download it on your computer. How to run this on your computer? So you need to have a USB drive, so as we'll be running this Rufus, which is 8 GB maximum, 8 GB minimum, so it will be capable to take these Windows. You see, these Windows have 5 point something GB storage, so you need to have the drive which is 5 point GB, also point something, that will be able to handle this. So what you need to do after installing this, you can install this or you can convert this online. What you need to do is to come here and click here. So you click here, see this demo, SMS, download this, then show you how you can do this, convert it. Yes, you see this Rufus now. So do you want to allow Rufus to check application update? Yes, I can click no. So when I click no, you see this Rufus now is coming on my computer. What I need to do is to click on this Rufus. You see, I can select the ISO files image downloaded. So I click on this. You see it is coming in my downloads option, then click open. Once it is open to put here, I'm going to choose the target system. So the target system will be non CSM, or will be UEFI. So UEFI means which means once you select this option, it is going to be used to install your window. So to install your window, it will be also requiring you to disable secure boot in your Windows BIOS system, so as you will be installing your Windows 11 very well. So once you have inserted USB drive with 8 GB plus, it is going to take your Windows and start converting. So here you will be getting the target mode, which is UEFI or CSM, and now here we will click start convert. Here this option will be able to allow you to be created, so as you can start converting your Windows. Once finished, you need to turn off secure boot, then insert your USB drive in your computer and start installing Windows. To start installing Windows, let's be looking on how to install Windows with bootable drivers in the next tutorial. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like and share, so as we'll be getting a video how you can install Windows 11 by using those bootable drivers that you have converted in Windows 11 ISO files. Thank you for watching. This is the first part of how you can install and convert. Then be with us and turn the notification bell button so that you will be notified when I upload new video here at Novax TV. If you have any question, suggestion, or comment, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.